May 2023, Paper 1, Time Zone 2. So for Part A, the equation of the axis of symmetry is x equals -2. And this is because this is the vertex, and since it's a parabola, it'll be symmetrical on this line. Therefore, the equation is x equals -2. Then, this form is the vertex form, so h would be equal to -2 and k is equal to -5. And again, we are using these two numbers. Part C. So point P is the y-intercept. So therefore, we could find it by setting x to 0, where f0 is 1/4, 0 plus 2 squared minus 5, and that is 1 minus 5, -4. So therefore, P is 0, -4, and the y-coordinate f0 equals -4. Part D. The equation of the line could be found using the slopes. And so we know that the line L is normal to the graph at point P. So we would take the derivative of the function. So f prime of x is equal to 1/2 x plus 2. And this is using this equation. And then we know that the slope of P would be 1 after we sub in x equals 0. Then we know that the line L is normal to the point, so the perpendicular slope is the negative reciprocal of 1, and so it is -1. Therefore, in our line function, y equals mx plus b, we get y equals -x plus b. And then we know that point P is -4, 0, -4, and so we could find that B is equal to -4. Therefore, the line is y equals -x minus 4. Moving on to E. So to find the coordinates of point Q, we have to find the point of intersection of line L and the function. And so we get -x minus 4 is equal to 1/4 x plus 2 squared minus 5. And we can multiply everything by 4, and so we will get 0 equals x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4x plus 16 minus 20. And then these cancel out, So 0 equals x squared plus 8x. 0 equals x times x plus 8. So therefore, x equals 0, or x equals negative 8. And as we could see in our graph, q has a x value that is negative. Therefore, we could find the y value of point Q, or y coordinate. So y equals negative x minus 4. And that is 8 minus 4, and we get 4. So therefore, we have our 2 points, 0, negative 4, and Q, which is negative 8, 4. And then we could use the distance formula of 2 points, where we have negative 8 minus 0 squared plus negative 4 plus 4 squared. Which is 4 minus negative 4 squared. And then that would be equal to the square root of 128. And then that could be simplified to 8 square root of 2.